Hi friends, welcome back to Techie Trick. Today let us talk about Vivo iq0012. iq0012 Mobile was launched on November 7, 2023. The phone comes with a 144Hz refresh rate 6.78-inch touchscreen display offering a resolution of 1200 by 2800 pixels, QHD. iq0012 is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. It comes with 12 GB, 16 GB of RAM. The iq0012 runs Android 14 and is powered by a 5000 mAh non-removable battery. The iq0012 supports 120W hypercharge fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the iq0012 on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 64-megapixel camera, and a 50-megapixel camera. It has a single front camera setup for selfies, featuring a 16-megapixel sensor. The iq0012 runs Origin OS 4, is based on Android 14 and packs 256 GB, 512 GB of inbuilt storage. The iq0012 measures 163.22 by 75.88 by 8.35 mm, height x, width x, thickness, and weighs 198.00 grams. It was launched in Burning Way, Legend Edition, and Track version colors. Connectivity options on the iq0012 include Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac/ax, GPS, Bluetooth version 5.40, NFC, USB OTG, and USB Type-C with active 4G on both SIM cards. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope, in-display fingerprint sensor, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. Network technology: GSM/CDMA/HSPA/CDMA 2000/LTE/5G. 2G bands: GSM 850/900/1800/1900, SIM1 and SIM2. CDMA 800. 3G bands: STPA 800/850/900/1700, AWS/1900/2100. CDMA 2001X. 4G bands: 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 20, 28, 38, 40, 41, India. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 12, 17, 18, 19, 20, 26, 28, 34, 38, 39, 40, 41, 66, China. 5G bands: 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 28, 38, 40, 41, 77, 78 SA/NSA, India. 1, 3, 5, 8, 28, 38, 40, 41, 77, 78 SA/NSA, China. Speed: HSPA, LTE-A, 5G. Launch announced 2023, November 7th. Status: available. Released 2023, November 14th. Body dimensions: 163.2 by 75.9 by 8.1 mm or 8.4 mm, weight 198.5 g or 203.7 g, 7.02 ounces. Build: glass front, metal frame, glass back. SIM: dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. IP64 dustproof and water splash proof, China only. Display type: LTPO AMOLED, 1B colors, 144 Hz, HDR10+, 1400 nits, HBM, 3000 nits, peak. Size: 6.78 inches, 111.0 square centimeters, 89.6% screen-to-body ratio. Resolution 1260 by 2800 pixels, 20:9 ratio, 453 ppi density. Platform OS Android 14, FunTouch 14, International, Origin OS 4, China. Chipset Qualcomm SM8650 AB Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 4 nm. CPU Octa-core, 1 by 3.3 GHz Cortex X4 and 5 by 3.2 GHz Cortex A720 and 2 by 2.3 GHz Cortex A520. GPU Adreno 750. Memory Card slot No. Internal 256 GB 12 GB RAM, 512 GB 16 GB RAM, 1 TB 16 GB RAM. UFS 4.0. Main camera triple 50 MP, f/1.7, 23 mm, wide, 1/1.3 inch, 1.2 m, multidirectional PDAF, OIS. 64 MP, f/2.6, 70 mm, periscope telephoto, 1/2.0 inch, PDAF, OIS, 3x optical zoom. 50 MP, f/2.0, 15 mm, 119 degrees, ultrawide, AF. Features: Dual LED flash, HDR, panorama. Video 8K at 30 fps, 4K at 24/30/60 fps, 1080p at 30/60/120/240 fps, EUR-OIS. Selfie camera. Single. 16 MP, f/2.5, wide. Features: HDR. Video 1080p at 30 fps. Sound. Loudspeaker. Yes, with stereo speakers. 3.5 mm jack. No. 24-bit/192 kHz audio. Comms. WLN. Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac/6/7, tri-band, Wi-Fi Direct. Bluetooth 5.4, A2DP, LE, aptX HD, aptX Adaptive, aptX Lossless. Positioning. GPS, L1 plus L5, GLONASS, G1, BDS, B1I plus B1C plus B2A, Galileo, E1 plus E5A, QZSS, L1 plus L5. NFC. Yes. Infrared port. Yes. Radio. No. USB. USB Type-C 2.0, OTG. Features. Sensors. Fingerprint, under display, optical, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, color spectrum. Messaging. SMS, threaded view, MMS, email, push email, IM. Browser. HTML5. Battery. Type. 5000 mAh, non-removable. Charging. 120W wired.